Hi everyone, welcome back. So we have one thing left. We have to figure out how all of this connects together because that's the last and quite important aspect of learning about amount and learning about any sort of physical property. So let's do it. But as in most previous cases, this is most commonly going to connect through mass. Mass is equal to your molecular weight times the number of moles. So you might be given a mass, or you might have to solve for a mass using one of your other equations, like force equals mass times acceleration, or density equals mass over volume. You might have to use those to solve for the mass. And then if you know what the molecular weight is, which will usually be given, sometimes it's not, sometimes you're going to have to use the periodic table to add it all up, you can solve for the number of moles you have. It works pretty well. Now, moles are also used in various equations that we're going to see in the future. I'm going to go ahead and show these to you. Just I want you to know that it seems like this doesn't show much. Like, why would we need to know the number of moles? But it does come in handy for other equations. For example, when we're talking about gas pressure, there's something called the ideal gas equation, which maybe you've heard about before, where PV equals nRT. And if you look at this N right here, that's the same N. That's moles. Moles of gas, not moles of liquid, not moles of solid in that one, but we'll get to that later. We also sometimes see it when we're working with energy, where we'll see the number of moles of something to tell us how much energy you've released. How many moles have you burned? Okay, well, you've given off this much energy. So we haven't gotten there, but moles are going to become very helpful in the future, especially as you take your Chemistry 151. You'll see them all the time. So make sure you take some time with Avogadro, get to know him better, and use it. Okay, so this is a little short section, but it's most likely going to connect through mass for the problems we're doing. However, if you go into Chemistry 151, you'll probably be seeing more of this PV equals nRT equation. And if you go into engineering, when you take thermo, you're going to definitely get familiar with the heat equation. Okay, so I hope this helps you, and I will see all of you next time. Bye.